So you got one of the new 2020 Walmart exclusive Robby the Robots made by Gold Lock, but it doesn't walk very well. Well, you're not alone. Quite a few people have had that problem. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, take the bottom of the feet off, which we'll have right here, just like if you were replacing the batteries. Then if you take the foot things, move it and see if you feel anything rough. One way it should move very smooth, and the other way the wheel should lock up. If you feel anything rough or any drag at all in the free moving one, that's why it isn't walking well. And what's going on is inside the foot thing, this is the ratchet wheel and axle, they sit, wherever the axle just went, they sit in these little grooves. And when it allows forward and backward movement, just a little, but when this rolls forward, then the ratchet wheel locks against that post right there, and when it's to the back, it's supposed to turn free. But what happens, especially on the left foot, it's got an L there, in the front, there's a ridge. They've cast the plastic down to make room for the round wheel to fit in. But there's a ridge right here when it transitions from that to this flat surface, and the wheel hangs up in the free rolling mode. And so far in the ones that I've seen, it's only been on the left foot, and it's always been the front ratchet wheel. But it's such an easy fix, you might as well just do it to both feet and both ratchet wheels in the robot. Just take a flat blade screwdriver or something similar and get right on where that ridge is, if it's in the camera, and just keep scraping back and forth. You just want to knock that ridge down, that transition point between where it's got a space for the wheel to fit to where it's flat. Knock that rough edge off, and then do it on the back one as well. And once you've done that, the wheel, when you put everything back together again, will roll perfectly smooth, no drag at all, and lock in the other direction. And you're good to go. It's a simple fix.